Alrighty, we have this on power strip that we bought at Walmart, and you'll be surprised to see what the quality of work looks like inside it. Here in the country I was born in, our cords for 110, 120 volts are black, which is live, white is neutral, and green, which is ground. And I'll show you how to repair this defective power strip. You can see the really cold solder joint right here, and see all the bare copper wire that's not even soldered on the side of the switch there, and we are going to address that. Okay, so first we'll get all our strands standing up here. On our white wire here. And we'll resolder our connection. There we go, we got a nice clean solder joint there. And we'll pull our switch out and we'll look at the kind of connection we have on our switch. Okay, we have a very good high quality Weller temperature controlled soldering iron here. So I'm going to try to lift this board up. Just prise open here, there we got it up. There we go. And now we can get to our switch. Okay, so we'll take our pliers and see all the copper that's not even in the solder there. That's work from the factory there. So we can get all our strands standing up here. Get them all straightened out. And we're going to reheat this solder joint and hopefully get all those strands into the solder the way that they're supposed to be. So we'll heat the solder here, take our soldering wire, there we go. Now we got all our strands in the solder there. The other side looks okay, so now we'll just clip the excess strands off. Okay, so now we'll just clip off all our excess strands. And now we have a good solder joint the way we want them. So now we can put our switch back into the casing here. Snap it in. Make sure we get our cord back into our slot here the way it's supposed to be. Get our wires down into the grooves here where they belong. And now we can just push this back in and put it together again. Keep all our wires up above our lights here. And we gotta just pry our little pull tabs back to snap it in. And now we'll get our cord back in the holder here. And we have one cold solder joint here we're going to heat up. Okay, so now we're just going to reheat this solder joint here. See the copper there and see how that's cold there? We're going to take our iron, we'll clean our tip, tin it a little bit, and we'll just reheat this. Get some nice, there we go. Now we have a nice clean solder joint. We'll tin our iron. And we'll just take our brush and just clean that off a little bit. We'll just clip a little off of here. There's not much really there to clip off. There it is. Alrighty, so now we'll just simply just clean out the back here. We'll just snap this back on here. Snaps in like that. And we'll put our screws back in. Alrighty, so I don't know where he put the screws, but we got it together. We'll just put the screws in off camera. That is how to fix a power strip here in the country I was born in. Peace. Thanks for watching.